Hello guys, what's up? So I'm back again for another tutorial video. So in this video, I will gonna show you how you can create a Google Drive link to share files using your phone. So if you are interested, then keep on watching. But before all that, if you are new to my channel, consider to like and subscribe for more videos like this, and also, you can comment down below if you have something that you want me to make a tutorial about. So without further ado, let's start the tutorial. So to create a Google Drive link to share files using your phone, it's actually pretty easy. Just follow what I'm gonna do. So for the first step, of course, you will need to open your Google Drive. And after opening your Google Drive, next, I want you to create a new Google Drive folder, since that's where we will store all the files that we will share. So to create a Google Drive folder, just tap this new button right here. And then select the folder option. And after that, you just need to put the name for your folder, so just enter whatever you like. And once you're done entering the folder name, you can now tap the Create button. And after tapping it, your folder will now be created. So now that we've created our folder, we can now add or upload all the files that we want to share right here. So to do that, just tap the folder to open it. And once you've opened the folder, next, I want you to tap the new button Q. And then select the Upload option. After that, you will now be directed to your file manager, so just find and select all the files that you want to share. And once you're done selecting the files, just tap the Select button at the top. And after tapping it, all your files will now start uploading to your folder. Just wait for it to finish. And once it's finished, there it is guys, we now have all the files added to our folder. So the last step is to copy the link of this folder so we can share it to whoever we like. So to copy the folder link, first, I want you to tap the back button to go back to the previous page. And here on this page, you will see all your folders, so just tap this 3 dots of the folder you want to share. And after tapping it, there it is guys, you will now see the Copy Link button right here. Just go and tap it to copy the link of the folder. And once you've copied the link, it's done. Congratulations, you can now send the link to anyone you like and they will be able to open the folder and see all the files once they use the link. And so that's just how you do it guys. Now that you've watched this video, you can now do it yourself. So that concludes our tutorial video for today. I hope it helped you. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.